First, insert 4 channel nuts with extended threads facing away from slotted hole in rail. Then, insert end caps into both sides of rail and tighten retaining screws. Measure from end of rail to center of closest hole to determine sides. Tailgate side of rail will measure 6.5 inches. Next, cut out provided drill guide and marked hole. Align drill guide with bed cap feature at rear of box, then mark for bolt location. Drill hole through bed cap and first layer of metal. Then align rear hole in rail with drilled hole in bed cap. Insert self-threading bolt and tighten with wrench. Do not fully tighten. Next, ensure rail is parallel with inside edge of bed cap. Using holes in rail as template, drill hole through bed cap and first layer of metal for remaining holes. Insert self-threading bolts into holes. Tighten bolts until flush. Torque to 120 inch-pounds. Repeat on opposite side. For remaining truck rack installation, refer to standard instructions.